Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal to share with you, and I have no idea what size it is, or so I'll give you the sizes in a minute. I just realised I didn't write down any notes. Okay, so it is a fabric cover. It's a altered box of some sort, stuffing box or something like that. It's just shy of 4 inches wide and 6 3/4. It has 2 signatures. It's quite a chunky little journal. It has this completely attached to it, and then this is the tie. Okay, so this is just a little tag holder booklet, like so. And that just tucks in the front. That's the fabric on the cover. Sorry, there's fluff and everything everywhere. And obviously that tag just pops in there as well. And then that's how it is closed, like so. So like I said, there's 2 signatures. I think there's probably about just slightly under 100 pages in total, but this will be for sale, and I've got it on a free UK shipping and half price international shipping. That's my offer this month. So here you can see the cover has all been stitched, and we've got these little buttons on the front and the back, and you can tuck things in the back of that as well. The back of that fabric is actually really nice. Don't know where I got it from. So we've got embossed pockets here. We have got tags. Some of these are freebies from my shop. Some are freebies from ARTYmaze. Who's that from? I can't remember. ARTYmaze possibly. Some digital washi from chapter 1. We've got little journal card in here. Little butterfly there. This I think is from Bohemian Crafting. We've got a pocket that's opened at the back for you to tuck things inside, and that tag there is from ARTYmaze. That's ARTYmaze. So is that paper. This is just some old, this is quite old, this square paper. You can see it's like tracing paper, isn't it? I think that's ARTYmaze as well. And then we've got a little cluster tuck there. This has been stitched with some fabric, and that's, I can't remember who that's from. Don't know, started this way back last week. Digital washi. This is TaylorMadeJournals, ARTYmaze. We got a little cluster here. This is some old ledger paper. I think this is TaylorMadeJournals. Some more embossed pocket. Don't know where that's from. That's ARTYmaze. This is TaylorMadeJournals. This is just a little flip out like so, and we've got another postcard in there, and you could add something on there. You could journal on here. We've got a tag in there. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop, and then inside this little pocket we've got a couple of pieces there. So these are all these are all going to be released this week. I'm going away. Oh, there's been a whole disaster. Let me tell you about that. Right, I'll still do the flip through, but I'm going to tell you what happened. So you might know I'm going to my cousin's wedding this weekend, and I'm bridesmaid, and me and two other cousins are bridesmaids. Anyway, I booked my flight. It's a domestic flight. It was going to take too long to sort my passport out, so I decided it was the quicker way to do it was, I don't drive, so I thought I'll just get my provisional driving license because I need a form of photographic ID. We've got little hearts there. So I done that 6 weeks ago. It said you'll have it in 3 weeks. So 2.5, 3 weeks ago, I received all my identification through, my birth certificate and other things that I had to send in. So it's another little pocket there. And it says, your license will be with you within 2 weeks. So it's not here. My flight is Friday. I get an email today asking to confirm certain details about myself. everything I told them, they're asking me. I can understand it. It's, my husband said to me, it's security. I was like, I do get it. So I emailed back. I had to answer 3 questions. They were basically just yes and no answers. So I then went on and spoke to someone online. It was a real person. It wasn't like a bot thing talking away to nobody. It was a real person. That's ARTYmaze. And she said, oh, that's all lovely. When did you send that? I said, I just want to know how long it's going to take. She then says to me, can take up to 3 weeks. I was like, are you kidding? So I then wrote an email of I was very annoyed. So they've got a complaint going in because there's no way it should take that amount of time, even with issues and stuff. Should never have taken. I should have had it about 2 weeks ago. I think somebody's messed up somewhere along the lines. So now I'm not flying up, which I'm absolutely peed off about, and I can't change my flights or amend them or get a refund because I checked in already. Silly me, should have waited, but you know, lesson learnt. So yeah, so I'm travelling up and a day early now. So instead of Friday flying up, I'm now leaving Thursday morning. But yeah, I was totally stressed out about all that. Journal space and a tag. So yeah, I really was stressed about that. Because the flight is only an hour, the drive is 6 hours. So I just wanted to get there. I will get there. I'll just 6 hours later. Yeah, I was not a happy bunny today. And to top it all off, I think I've got a cold coming. So that's the first signature. Right, that's enough of me moaning about my thing. About my travel disasters. So yeah, they're freebies. Digital washi. Little tag in there, little pockets. So like I said, I have all the measurements of this. That's you can journal on there. That's a freebie on my KoFi Shop. This is ARTYmaze. That is called the Tag Galore Kit. Now I think that's on her KoFi Shop. Digital washi. That's how, do you know what? I wish I'd have seen that this morning whilst I was talking, well, actually I was stressing out big time. I was like a crazy woman this morning. But yeah, wish I'd have saw that this morning, just like, calm down, stay strong. Right, I need to trim a little bit of that. That goes on there. We've got more tags here and a journal card. More embossed pockets. Right, for everyone who has commented on the trifold that I shared, I'm going to do a video. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that video done this week, but it's definitely going to get done when I get back. I will be back next Tuesday, Wednesday, I think. But yeah, I'm going to do the video on how I done my little trifold thing. It's not anything like people have done it before, but I've had a lot of people saying they would like to see me do it, so I will. That's not supposed to be, there we go. That's opened there, so you can tuck things in there, and obviously a little flip, you can tuck more in there. Some more of that squared see-through paper. Tags in the middle, hearts on a string. There's fluff everywhere. It's off of this as well, the twine. Stamped tags. And that one says, and the story begins. Little postcard and little butterfly card in there, and then we have a pocket here. So I hope everyone is well. The weather here in the UK is brightening up. It's last week it was like winter. There was people telling me they'd put their heating on. because it was so cold. It's June. What's going on? Little postcard, that's from Tsunami Rose, I think. Another one of these with, just going to leave all the cattiness on there. If you don't like it, you can take it off. Little pocket, guest check tag in there. That's ARTYmaze and that's a freebie. And here we have another, that's ARTYmaze, this is ARTYmaze. Can't remember all the kits. So ARTYmaze is linked below, so is loads of other people. Just go over and take a look, take a browse. You will find lots of lovely goodies in all the shops linked below. Flip out, little tag. And that's a freebie on my KoFi Shop. Little cluster there, tag, unforgettable moments. And I've used some of ARTYmaze's June freebie kit as well in this. Found that on a KoFi Shop. Little postcard there. Digital washi, and then a couple of little pieces in here. And there we have it. That is the journal. So like I said, this will be in my shop. All the details will be on the listing. Like, I gave you the size, I just don't know how many pages. Obviously there's 2 signatures. I'll write the page numbers on there. Free UK shipping and half price international shipping. So there we go. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.